Yo, what up YouTube BX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. So let's just do this unboxing really quick. Let's move the keyboard out the way. Okay, so let's get the next one out the way. Let's go in the package. I think I know what this one is. This is the bigger one. So this one is actually my riser one, just like if you see in the other part of the video. So let's cut this down. I mean, they got this thing wrapped deep, and I can actually use this phone. So I'm not gonna cap. I can actually use this. I can use this for like my keyboards and stuff. And it's a lot of dampening foam, like that. So I'm definitely going to be using this. Oh, this is sick. I like that. I like this one. So if y'all don't know, I have a ROG. I got the Asus TUF. Hold on. I got the Asus TUF. Let me get it correctly. I got the Asus TUF 4070 Ti OC. No, I got the Asus TUF 4070 Ti Super OC. So that's basically what this is right here. This goes underneath the GPU at the bottom part. This lights up in ARGB. So basically you put this where the GPU bracket would be at, and it goes right underneath the GPU like that, and this lights up in ARGBs. Sweet. I think I might buy another one and put this for my my 3060. Actually, I seen the one for the 3060 that I like, so I'm gonna buy the one that says 3060, and I'm gonna get the other one that basically says 3060 on it. So yeah, I like it. Yeah, I got things just falling down and crap. I gotta clean up this table because where I'm at, like the raccoons and the squirrels and stuff is on my sit in my attic, and they're just doing havoc, and a lot of the ceiling is coming down because they like digging through. So yeah, all right, let's get to the next one. Okay guys, so here's everything right here. Here's the MSI adapter for the 24 pin. Here's the plate for the GPU, as you see right there. It's going to change other colors in a second, as you see right there. Then there's the TUF bracket right there, as you see right there. The only reason why you see it like that is just pink. You'll see it flashing. It's basically the way how I got the colors set up on here. So just want you guys to see that. So yeah. And that's basically what it looks like.